warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day, my dear learners. Welcome to the most exciting and more fun video lesson in grade 4 mathematics. And by the way, I am your teacher, Ma'am Jamalia E. Abdul Rahman, in the division of Lanao del Sur 1. So, our lesson in this video is about visualizing numbers up to 100,000. With an objective, at the end of the lesson, the learners can be able to visualize numbers up to 100,000 with an emphasis on number 10,001 to 100,000. Are you ready now to learn? If your answer is yes, so let's start. Before we proceed, let me try your skills in reading large numbers. Read the numbers written on the box of fruits. First box is a box of mangoes. What number do you see? Okay, tama. It's 1,503. The second box is a box of pineapple. Again, what number do you see? Alright, it's 2,078. The third box is a box of orange. And the number is... Very good! It's 3,890. The fourth box is a box of bananas. Again, the number written is... Exactly! It's 4,008. Okay, mashallah, mashallah, you did it correctly, learners. Matatalino talaga kayo. And now, prepare your notebook, ball pen, and your module. Read the first situation. Problem number 1. Karim and his friends enjoy watching the football game on television. They were surprised at how big the sports ground was. They want to know how many people the sport ground could accommodate. So when the announcer declared that 10,542 watched the game, they were amazed. Wow! Can you imagine how big 10,542 is? Let us start visualizing the number 10,542 by using number disc. We will use a number disc with 5 different types of color based on their respective place value. Anyway, place value tells the position and the value of each digit by the given number. To determine place value, start from the right to left. And using a chart, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Let us use again a table that represents number disc by 5 different colors. The orange disc is for ones, the pink disc is for tens, the yellow disc is for hundreds, the blue disc is for 1,000 or thousands, the red disc is for 10,000s. To show 10,542 using a number disc in their respective color and place value, let's start from the digit 2. The digit 2 should be at one's place. So how many one disc must place on the table? It must be 2 discs. The digit 4 should be at tens place. So how many 10 discs must place on the table? It must be 4 discs. The digit 5 should be at hundreds place. So how many 100 discs must place on the table? It must be 5 discs. The digit 0 should be at 1,000's place. So how many 1,000 discs must place on the table? It must be 0 disc or no disc at all. The digit 1 should be at 10,000's place. So how many 10,000 discs must place on the table. It must be 1 disc. In the fourth row naman, we will write the value of each digit. And by getting the value, just multiply the digit to their place value. Just like the value of 2 in 1's place is equals to 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. The value of 4 in 10's place is 40 because 4 times 10 is 40. The value of 5 in 100's place is 500 because 5 times 100 is 500. The value of 0 in thousands place is 0 because 0 times 1000 is 0. And the value of 1 in 10,000's place is 10,000 because 1 times 10,000 is 10,000. And the sum of their value now is 10,542. Did you get it, learners? Okay, so ready for the next example. So grab your paper and ball pen and try another example. Another example is 12,873. Use the table and number this to visualize the given number. I will give 5 minutes to answer. Okay, time's up! And now, compare your answer by looking at the table. As you can see, the digit 3 should be at 1's place. So we have 3 discs. The digit 7 should be at 10's place. And then we have 7 discs. The digit 8 should be at 100's place. So we have 8 discs. The digit 2 should be at thousands place. So we have again 2 discs. The digit 1 should be at 10,000's place. So we have 1 disc. Good job, my dear learners. Thank you for participating our activities. And now, let us try again visualizing numbers using block, flat, long, and unit or square. And now, using block represent thousand, flat is for hundreds, long is for tens, and unit or square is for ones. Using again the given number in our previous problem, we have 10,542 is the number of people that can accommodate by the sports ground. Using a table again, we will place digits in their respective place value. The digit 2 is in units place. How many units should be at one's place? We have 2 units. The digit 4 is in long's place. How many long should be at tens place? We have 4 longs. The digit 5 is in flat place. How many flat should be at hundreds place? We have 5 flats. So, in thousands place, we have 10 number. How many blocks should be at thousands place? We have 10 blocks. Naintindihan niyo ba, mga learners? Then, be ready to answer the activities to your module. And good luck, learners! Thank you for watching my video. Keep on tuning in for my next video lesson. Maasalam!